So we're here looking for another project, just a quick one hopefully. We're going to buy a car from here and hopefully get it back on the road. Now I found this one. It's an ae95 Corolla that looks alright, fairly complete still, and well, it's probably cheap. Interior is fairly clean except for it's missing a seat. It does have quite a few Ks on it. And well, somebody has pulled the spark plug leads and that's about all that seems to be missing from the engine. Everything else looks fairly complete, so the Corolla, not exactly the one I was looking at, but still good. $300. It appears to have that it was just driven into the wreckers and left there. There's only a couple of minor things I can see that need repairing for roadworthy, like windscreen wiper. The headlight has a hole in it. Engine runs fine. Can't fault it. This is the next thing we're going to have trouble with for a roadworthy. Rust holes. This is the only bit of rust I've been able to find in the car. So we're just going to move the car up close to the shed, pull the door off and fix the rust. Alright, so I'm going to move this up closer to the shed. So come on, shed corgi. It's moved. First thing, wind the window down because it gives you something good to hang on to, because doors can be heavy. Take out this retaining pin. Special tip. Put it back in there so this bit doesn't slide into the door and disappear into the bottom where you got to pull the whole door apart to put it back into place. Now, down here I've got old Captain Jack with a welding glove on top. Just bring it up so it's touching the bottom of the door. Alright, so before you undo the hinges, just permanent marker, mark exactly where the hinges are sitting on the door, so then you can put the door back in exactly the same place and not have to worry about all the panel gaps. Now this door doesn't have any electronics in it, central locking or electric windows, so there's no wires to worry about. Otherwise I'd have to be pulling apart all the kick panel first before I even get started on the door. Hold the door when you're taking the last bolt out. Because it's sitting on the jack, it's not falling anywhere. one doorless Corolla. Off to the shed with the door. These things are quite heavy. On the outside I'm going to use a Scotch-Brite wheel so that it only takes out the material it needs to. Micro adjustment tool. .80 grit. Rough it up a bit. Give the filler something to stick to. Alright, so I've got the body filler mixed up. Now the most important part of it. Need the gift that keeps on giving. I've done the repair on the door, I've taken it off for a roadworthy, and well, it didn't pass. It needs 2 new tyres, so I can jack it up and change some wheels. Let's do that. Okay, so we got the car checked off. It's got its number plates, it's on the road. The car cost $300, the tyres cost $220 fitted and balanced. The paint and filler cost $56, so the grand total come to $576, excluding roadworthy and rego, because that's a given for any vehicle you buy. Not that we actually did any customising on this, but you really should just customise everything.